Hello, this is Chris from pipmavens.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the trade percent risk script. So this script will place a trade order for you with the proper lot size based on how much you choose to risk on the trade. Okay, so let's first drag and drop the script onto the chart to place a trade. And the first thing you need to decide is whether you want to take a market order or a pending order. So if you want to take a market buy order, you change this field to true. If you wish to take a market sell order, you change this here to true. Okay. On the other hand, if you wish to take a pending buy order, if you wish to place a pending buy trade, you will fill in the price level here. And if you wish to take a pending sell order, you will fill in the price level here. So as an example, let's place a pending sell order at 1.2430. And next you will need to set your stop loss and or take profit levels. For this script, the stop loss level is required. You cannot run this script without the stop loss price, but the take profit price or the take profit levels is optional. Okay, you can leave it at 0 if you wish. However, you will need to place a stop loss for this script. So let's say, for example, I wish to place a 50 pip stop loss and a 50 pip take profit level. If you do not wish to set the stop loss and take profit levels in terms of pips, you can set it in terms of price by filling in this field and this field. Okay, so we'll do this a little bit later on as an example, but for now we'll just use 50 pips each. Okay. Lastly, you need to decide how much of your account in percentage terms you wish to risk on this trade. So let's say I wish to risk 5%. Okay, so this is larger than usual. It's not recommended, but for the sake of giving you an example, I'm going to set my risk for this trade at 5% of my account balance. Okay, so to recap, I wish to place a pending sell order at 1.2430 with a 50 pip stop loss and a 50 pip take profit level and risk 5% of my account balance on this trade. Okay, so let's click OK, and the script will automatically place the appropriate pending order type as well as the appropriate number of trades in terms of lot size to use for this trade. Okay, so let's delete this pending order and set another one. Okay, this time let's set a pending buy order at 1.2370, and we will set the stop loss as a price level. So let's set the stop loss at 1.23, let's say 25. Okay, and the take profit at 1.24. All right, and let's risk this time, let's say we risk 3% of our account balance on this trade. Click OK, and the script will place the appropriate pending order with the appropriate lot size for this trade. Okay, so why is this script useful? Okay, instead of placing the trade manually on our own, why will we want to automate the process? So let me illustrate the reason. Okay, so let me standardize the parameters for the script. Okay, let's say we take a sell trade at 1.2440. Let's say we have a stop loss of 100 pips and a profit target of 100 pips. And for illustrative purposes, let's say we risk 10% of the account. Okay, obviously this is not recommended, but just to illustrate to you why this script is useful, I'm going to use a larger number. Okay, so I'll place a trade here. The script has entered 0.73 lots for this currency pair. Okay, so now let's take a similar trade on the pound dollar pair. Okay, let's place a sell trade at 1.40, let's say 40. Stop loss also 100 pips, and we will also risk 10% on this trade. Okay, so you can see here I have made a mistake. So the script will automatically detect any conflicts of the inputs. So it says here conflicting sell inputs entered. So I made a mistake with the sell inputs. Let's try that again. Sell price 1.4040. So pending order. Stop loss 100 pips. Take profit 100 pips. And percent risk 10%. Okay, and now the script has accepted the inputs and it has set the pending order for me. Okay, so as you can see here, because my account balance is in US dollars and I'm risking the same amount, 10% on each of these trades, the script has set the lot size of 7.73 for each of these trades. Okay, so the lot size is the same. Now let's take a trade on a non-dollar denominated pair. Okay, let's say we take a sell trade at 1.2590. Stop loss and profit target as usual 100 pips, and as usual I risk 10% on this trade. And as you can see here, this script has set a lot size of 0.91. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and that's different because this is a non-US dollar denominated currency pair. All right, and the value of each pip for this currency pair is different from the value of each pip on the euro dollar and the pound dollar. Okay, and so the script will automatically take all of this into account. So it doesn't matter what your account currency is. Your account could be in euros, it could be in pounds, and you could be trading on any currency pair. You could be trading on the pound yen, you could be trading on the pound Aussie dollar, it doesn't matter. The script will take all of this into account and place the trade with the appropriate lot size. Okay, so this is why the script is useful for me, because I don't have to manually calculate the lot size to use depending on what my account currency is, depending on what the currency pair is. It doesn't matter, the script will take into account all of this automatically and place the trade with the appropriate lot size for me. Okay, so that's basically what the trade percent risk script can do for you, and I hope you will find it as useful for your trading as I have found it for mine.